Hello students, here is our next topic called as Dias frog. Yes, you heard it right, Dias frog. It is definitely something related with frog. So let's begin with our today's session, Dias frog. So, frogs are amphibians that are known for their jumping abilities, croaking sounds, blunking eyes, and slimy skin. They live all over the world and are among the most diverse animals in the world, with more than 6,000 species. Frogs are well common animals, amphibians that we have observed in our surrounding also. So that frogs are amphibians means they can live both on the water as well as the land. So they are called as amphibians. That they are known for their jumping ability, croaking sounds, blunking eyes, and slimy skins. We all know that frog is famous for his long jump and his croaking sound. That croaking sound we hear during the rainy seasons more oftenly, and blunking eyes and slimy skin. They live all over the world and are among most diverse animal in the world. Their diversity is great and they have 6,000 species in all. This is huge number. Frogs are amphibian. We observe in our surrounding. They are amphibian because they live both on the earth, I mean land, as well as on the water. So let's study more details about frog. So frog has the 6 stages of their life cycle. Everyone has their specific life cycle. Such frog has the 6 stages in their life cycle. First one is egg, tadpole, tadpole with limbs, tadpole with legs, young frog and adult frog. We are going to see the each stage one by one. So let's begin with span or eggs. Here, swarm or eggs. This is an egg mass laid by the frog. Each of those black dot is made of the bunch of the cell that will eventually grow into the tadpole. Depending on the species, this egg mass can be made up of several hundred eggs. In the picture nearby this, you can see the small dots that each dot is a one egg. So egg mass laid by the frog. This laid by the frog. Each of those black dot is made up of bunch of cell that will eventually grow in the tadpole. Means that each of the black dot will be converted, will be grown into a tadpole. Depending on the species, these egg masses can be made up of several hundred eggs. Number of eggs are laid by the frog. As you can see in the image, there are also so many, and actually in water also they present in very large amount. So first stage is egg, which is laid by the frog, and from the image we can see every black dot is bunch of the cell which will eventually grow into the tadpole. Now second stage is tadpole. Within a few days, egg develop into tadpoles. Tadpoles live completely underwater. After few weeks, a hormone in the tadpole's thyroid gland initiates the metamorphosis. Within a few days, when eggs are laid by the frog, after that few days, that egg develop into the tadpole, and these tadpoles are live completely underwater. After few days, a hormone in tadpole's thyroid gland initiates the metamorphosis. Means first stage is egg. Eggs are laid by the frog. They are in many numbers, and then after few days that egg develop into tadpoles, and these tadpoles are live completely underwater. After few weeks, hormone in the tadpole's thyroid gland initiates the metamorphosis. Now the third stage, it is tadpole with limbs. Over about 24-hour period, a tadpole develops into a frog. This means almost every organ has changed so the tadpole can go from the living water to the living land. Here, when the stages after egg, tadpole, after tadpole, tadpole with limbs, here over the 24-hour period, a tadpole develops into the frog. This means almost every organ has change of the tadpole can go from the living underwater to living on land as an adult. Now, fourth stage, tadpole with the legs. After the hind legs have started to form, a pair of front legs will begin to develop and the tail will start to disappear. You might also notice that tadpole had started to form a frog-like face. In above picture, you can see tadpole with the limbs where the only back legs are there and tail is still present. When that tadpole with the limbs get converted into tadpole with the legs, the front legs, hind legs are already there, are also started to form, and the tail is going started to disappear and the tadpole is taking the frog like face. Now next one, young frog and then adult frog. When tadpole reaches the froglet stage, it almost a full adult. At this point, the tadpole gills have disappeared and its lungs have enlarged. This means it is ready to live on the water and live on a land. When the tadpole with the legs is completed stage and come to the froglet stage, it is almost a full adult. At this point, tadpole gills are disappeared and its lungs have enlarged. So this means tadpole is now ready to leave the water and move on to the land. Last stage is adult frog. The tadpole's horny teeth once used to tear up the plant. Disappearing and disappears and tongue muscle develop to catch the insects. The tadpole's large intestine, important for digesting algae and plant, shrinks to suit the frog's meat eating diet. Once the egg frog is converted into adult frog, their tongue muscle develops to catch the insects, and then tadpole's large intestine, important for digesting algae and the plants, shrinks to suit the frog's meat eating diet. So here we see 6 stages of frog's life cycle. They are swan or eggs, tadpole, tadpole with organs and limbs, tadpole with leg, young frog and adult frog. Egg is converted into tadpole. After few days, tadpole is converted with tadpole with limbs. After that, tadpole is converted into tadpole with legs. That tadpole is converted into young frog, and at the end, young frog is converted into adult frog, and again adult frog lays the egg. Again, it is converted into tadpole. So this cycle happens continuously. Now, let's see something interesting about this. Let's make our own dais frog. Material required for that is a cube or dais, chart paper, marker or color paper, and pencil. So the material we required is cube or dais, chart paper, marker or color paper, and pencil. So the procedure we need to do here is Take the cube and cover it with the chart paper. Mention the 6 stages of frog's life cycle on the sixth face of the cube. Write the number below it to denote the stage and use this cube in any of your game as a dice. By this you can remember all the 6 stages of the frog and you can play with this. Now let's see some features about frog. Frog use their skin to breathe. When on land, they can also breathe through their lungs like human. Frogs have long back leg and webbed feet for jumping and swimming. As we know, frogs are amphibians, means they live both on the water and land. They have some special features like frog use their skin to breathe. When on land, they can also breathe through their lungs like humans. Frogs have long back legs, webbed feet for jumping and swimming. Here is a question. How far can a frog jump? So, as we know, frog is having long back legs and webbed foot for jumping. Frog can jump over 130 inches in one leap, which means it is 44 times its body length. Means in compare to frog's body length, it can jump 44 times far. Frog can jump over 130 inches in one leap. So, in today's session, we have learned the 6 stages of frog's life cycle, that are egg, tadpole, tadpole with limbs, tadpole with leg, young frog and adult frog. Further, we learn how to make our own dice frog and we use that for our games, and then we see some more important features about frog. So we know that frog is amphibian. They are the most diverse animal on the earth and they are over 6,000 species. Thank you.